Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Ethereum with Binance, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the wallet section on the top navigation bar. Click on Spot Wallet to access your cryptocurrency holdings. Search for Ethereum in your wallet by typing ETH in the search bar. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to Ethereum. In the Withdrawal section, you will need to enter the Ethereum wallet address you want to send funds to. Make sure to double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid losing your funds. After entering the address, specify the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Check the network option, ensure you select the correct Ethereum network. Review the withdrawal fees displayed on the screen before confirming your transfer. Once you have verified all details, click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. You may be prompted to complete a security verification process, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Complete the verification to proceed with the withdrawal. After successfully submitting the withdrawal request, you'll receive a confirmation notification via email. You can monitor the status of your transaction in the Transaction History section of your wallet. Depending on network congestion, the Ethereum transfer may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Ethereum should appear in the recipient's wallet shortly thereafter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.